sound.
You can start it. If you
Oh,
want.
you're going. Oh, hello. I don't know what he does.
I'm a YouTuber. That's my job.
The vlog life, man.
Da-na, 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 da-na.
Ah!
Shark!
Big fish.
There's a fish right behind the tank, so yeah, the fish is probably terrified. The fish is behind the camera, so it's probably terrified.
I'm his cousin, by the way.
Jowls is back.
Jowls.
Oh yes, I'm going to eat your
Attack
face.
me.
I'm gonna make it look like you're huge. There you go, you're
And
huge
I'm just
now.
like this little tiny figure.
Sup? Crap! Low battery. Sup? Sup? Ah! The fish is probably terrified behind the
It
camera.
really is.
This is my shark.
Joel.
This is my shark.
Yeah.
This is my shark. My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff. Okay. Oh, it landed! Ah!
The fish is like terrified. Dude. Hey, can I show you something cool?
What?
Come here. You ready?
Oh, ow!
Beautiful.
Oh, crap. My drumsticks. I don't know where. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll get Dory in this. It's like the scene with Dory and the shark.
Ready?
Sup? Do I look big? Probably not. I'm small. You see this? I'm small and insignificant. I see you down there! Ah! Ah!
Wait, what was I here for?
Ah!
Oh, shh.
Ah! Ah! Help me! Ah! Dory's beating me up! Ah! Ah!
Whoever thought? And stay there.
This is a random video. I have no idea what we're doing.
Me either. The roles of Dora is me. The
Yeah.
role of the shark is him.
Introducing the Pacific Ocean Got Talent Shark. Sup? Sup? Are you a judge or something?
Yeah. What's your talent?
This.
He messed my hair.
Probably gonna have to end the video here because my iPad's about to die.
Yeah, bye.
Go check out her channel. It's called Jersey Howie. Bye.
This is